long time no Trader Joe's vlog. So I'm back to do it. I do want to apologize. I'm not turning off the air and you can probably definitely hear it, but it is so hot here and I'm already sweating in the mustache region and I just don't want to turn it off. So I apologize. We're also very orange. But today I went to Trader Joe's solo. Sorry to disappoint, but Bradley is at work. He's actually on his home now. On his way home now. I'm alone, therefore I'll be doing this video alone. I know you guys get mad when I do these without Bradley, but I had to go grocery shopping and for some reason we ran out of everything all at once. So this is a huge stock up trip. Some recipes I want to make this week that I needed ingredients for, and we just were out of all produce, a lot of our like staple items, so here we go. So here's an overview of the whole table. But we'll start with produce first as usual. Excuse me. Got some bananas, which all of the bananas today were very green, so hopefully those turn yellow soon. We got some, what are these called? Sunshine raspberries. They taste pretty much the same, they just look fun and they were cheap, so I bought some. Some strawberries to snack on. One of my favorite snacks, red bell peppers, so I got 4 of those because me and Bradley really like those. A beefsteak tomato, just one of those. I normally pick up the grape tomatoes as well, but I bought some at a different grocery store when I picked up something else because I needed those then, so that was a boring story. Some lemons, limes, a baby pumpkin! Oh, let's do the honors together. Wow, I'm trying to do this looking through the camera. How glorious. Yes, Bradley's gonna be so excited when he gets home and sees that pumpkin in Mr. Toad's hand. But I picked up an orange for an orange chicken recipe, some avocados, a cucumber. I like to slice these and put them on my sandwiches. They're really good. These Dutch yellow baby potatoes, which we use to make cauliflower mashed potatoes. We mix them both together. Bradley's been making these grilled potatoes. He's been making smashed potatoes, which is really good. So we just use these in a bunch of different ways. Some mushrooms and some sweet potatoes because I want to try to make sweet potato tacos. So I bought some of those. A couple of our favorite frozen staples here. This is the cauliflower crust cheese pizza. It's gluten-free if you are a gluten-free person. But mainly it's just delicious. It's a little bit like flimsier than a normal pizza, obviously, but it is really good and I like it for like an in the freezer, I'm in a rush, need a healthy-ish dinner situation. It's great and you can jazz it up with like pepperoni and mushrooms and whatever you want to put on pizza, so I just like to have one of those in the freezers at all times. Just one freezer. I don't have 2 freezers. And then we stocked up on the mini chicken tacos. These are Bradley's favorite. I also love them, but Bradley eats them a lot more. I would eat them more if I could, but after the wedding. Back to some more produce. I got some shredded carrots and some organic celery hearts. I did not mean to buy the organic ones, but oh well. The Champs-Élysées salad mix is my favorite, and then I also picked up a bag of baby spinach for a soup recipe I want to make. I got a little thing of dill. I actually just replanted some dill, but it's not doing the best. It's pretty hot, so I need to keep watering it back to life. So I bought some dill. I also like to put this on sandwiches and salads. I love dill. Some broccoli. To be honest, I don't love broccoli, but Bradley does, so he keeps buying it, so I bought a bag for him because I knew he'd want it. Riced cauliflower, normal cauliflower, the bag of diced onions that I cannot live without. We got some beauty, well, just one beauty bit. This is the shaving cream, the honey mango moisturizing cream shave that I freaking love. I just like to have a backup of this at all times because you never know when you're gonna run out. A backup of our favorite liquid dish soap. I like the citrus scent way more than the other one. 2 cans of special cookies. We ran out of our soyaki, so I picked up a bottle of that because last time they were out of it, which was devastating. I got some gnocchi because I want to make my copycat Weight Watchers friendly recipe of the Olive Garden's chicken gnocchi soup, so that's what the spinach and this is for. I did show you that recipe in a vlog. I will link that up in the corner. It's pretty easy, delicious, but I did change the milk to almond milk, so it's less points and just a little bit better for you. And honestly, it tastes the same. And I discovered that because I was out of normal milk and this was all I had, so I was like, shoot. But I tried it and it tastes the same, so. And then it also makes it dairy-free, I think. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember the whole recipe. I also picked up 2 things of low sodium chicken broth for that. I always like to have these on hand anyway. Wasn't sure if I had enough, so I got a few more. I got their carrot ginger miso salad dressing. These are like vegan, really natural salad dressings from Trader Joe's, I think. They expire so quickly though, so you kind of have to like use them quick. There's 3 different kinds of these, so just get one at a time and use through it because they expire really quickly. This is the butter we use, which apparently I didn't know this, but it's lactose free. No wonder it doesn't hurt my tummy. But just as far as Weight Watchers points, it's amazing and it tastes really good. Got our favorite orange juice because Bradley was upset we were out. Got some pepperoni. Like I said, I like to put it on that pizza, but we also just like to snack on this. It's really, really good. And you can actually have like 7 of these for 3 points on Weight Watchers, which is amazing. Oh, and one time I made like a pizza cauliflower like stir fry. It was amazing. I don't even remember how I did it, but I cut up a bunch of the pepperonis and put them in there, and it was great. That was a pointless story because I don't remember how I made that, but maybe I'll experiment and try it again and let you know. We have some Greek fat. We have some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. I use this in a bunch of things. We use it in our cauliflower potato mash, but I've been using it lately to make the 2-ingredient dough. It's just flour and Greek yogurt, and I make little like sourdough balls out of them. They're amazing. Whole milk ricotta cheese. I just like to have that on hand. It's my favorite. I got Bradley's bagels, which I got him the everything bagels, and I got my sprouted wheat bagels, which Bradley hates, but I think they're pretty good. It's still a bagel, so I'm happy to eat it. Got Bradley's favorite, the organic corn chip dippers. If you like Fritos, they're basically the same thing. I don't like Fritos though. I don't know, I just never have, but Bradley loves those. I do like these organic white corn tortilla chips. These are delish. Then I got Bradley's wine for him. This is the wine of choice he chooses. And then a couple more things. Eggs, which that's pretty self-explanatory. Breakfast, other things, baking, everything. And then I have some ground chicken. I mentioned the orange chicken recipe for the orange. One night we like didn't know what to make. We had this on hand because I bought it for a different recipe, but I didn't end up making it. And so he looked up healthy orange chicken and he made the sauce from scratch. He mixes ground chicken with rice. It's so good. So maybe we'll make that for you in a video at some point. But yeah. So okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was like looking at how messy my desk is back there. Yikes. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really hot. I'm gonna go take off my pants and make some lunch, but I love you guys. I'll see you very soon in a new video. If you want more like Trader Joe's food grocery hauls, I will link the list or the playlist up there. But I love you guys. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.